Welcome to another video from Darren Nicky Hornby GWR. This is the final loco I got in DC, means analog control, and then I moved from this loco to the Virgin Pinolino trains, were digital, and the other trains what I got, including that single DMU and the first digital steam engine. So further ado, let's have a look at what we got here. We got a 060 diesel shunter, 2 wagons and a vent van, and this is in the railroad range. I got this on Christmas Day. When I opened the packet, took the Christmas paper off, and I spotted this at the back. So, love seeing Santa in Santa's Grosso. He kindly put this on because he knows I was good. So, really thank you to him when I was younger. Everything. He knew what I wanted was the R2669 Railroad Train Pack. I believe you can't get these anymore, but you can get them on eBay. So, further ado, let's unbox it and have a closer look at the locomotive and the rolling stock, and then test it out with the breakdown crane, what you saw me unviewing. Normally there's instructions, but I have somehow lost it, so but I know what kind of motor it is anyway, so yeah, I'm just checking in the box to make sure it's not falling in there. So let's get the shunter out. Here it is, as you can see. No spun buffers, afraid. Basic detail, everything. No cab detail. All the wasp stripes. There's rivets here, very nice. Again, no spun buffers at the back. Just all of it plastic, everything. So that's the locomotive. So here's the other wagon. If you can pronounce this, please leave your comments below. So it's the basic wagon, no spun buffers at all. Basic detail, nice metal wheels. You can put anything in these wagons, basically, if you want to, like coal or anything. So that's that. And this another wagon I can't pronounce. If you know, leave your comments below. It's coal something, very nice. But this one's painted in blue with different writing, same kind of detail. No spun buffers, but again, metal wheels, very nice. And finally, here's the vent van. Very nice, no spun buffers. on both sides, metal wheels. There's writing on the back, made in China. And this is the other side as well. Kind of roof, and this all the kind of detail you can see. So further ado, let's get the loco, the vent fan, this wagon onto the track and couple it up with the brake van and the crane and see what she runs like. So if I hold the camera up, just going to put the loco on there, then basically this wagon, couple it up, and then get this wagon, just make sure it's all coupled up, and then finally that. So that's what I'm saying about the analog. Give us some power, and allow her to go couple up. We are coupled up to the vent fan, the guard fan and everything. So let's take her for a good run, shall we? I'll get some close-up shots of her. She just needs some help because she hasn't run for quite a while. So I have to just get her to warm up before I can get a chance to slow her down. Show you all of it running. So all I can say is a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave your comments below of this video. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.